Why I choose robotic knee replacement over conventional knee replacement for my patients? This is the topic I am discussing in detail for public awareness today. So what does this robots do in knee replacement procedure? This is a knee. Let's say this is a knee. This knee, whenever we go for surgery, we will look into few parameters. One is what is the alignment? Means the angle of this knee depends on the angle found by this particular bone called femur. This particular bone for tibia is called tibia, and alignment of the whole of the leg. This angle formation is different in each patient, and tightness or laxity of these ligaments called medial collateral ligament and lateral collateral ligament, and osteophyte formation, that is extra bone formation during the arthritis, determines the tightness of knee in extension and in flexion. All this data which is required for this particular patient is going to be digitally taken in a three-dimensional way, created during surgery or some of the robots before surgery, and this is uploaded whenever we go for surgery. So each knee is different in terms of alignment, in terms of soft tissue balance, in terms of tightness and laxity and extra bones, that is osteophytes. What does conventional knee replacement do and what does robotic knee replacement do? Robotic knee replacement is a personalized formula for each different person. So as each different person's knee is different, we plan specifically for that particular patient. That's why called as personalized plan for knee replacement. However, if you ask what conventional procedure, is it bad? No. Conventional procedure has been done for last 30 years, has got great results. However, for extra additional 2 to 5% of alignment precision, soft tissue precision, if at all there is an option to use robotic knee replacement, if there is a possibility to incorporate this in our practice to give better and even more better than what results we were getting till now, then why not we use it? That is the concept or philosophy behind usage of robotic knee replacement. This question is asked by many people, doctor, what is the difference between conventional knee replacement and robotic knee replacement? Why are you choosing this? Let's say there is some difficult knee replacement with this complex deformity with the previous surgeries, previous screws and rods inside the knee. We have to bypass that and do the implantation. We cannot use our regular conventional instruments. In that case, robot gives additional advantage of, without removing these implants, we can do the procedure. Bow legs or knock knees of more than 15 degrees, 20 degrees, we can plan thoroughly and we can curate our cuts, that is bone resection and ligament balancing, using robotic. This will give additional precision over and above what we get conventional knee replacement. Does it take more time? Sometimes robotic surgery is 10 to 20 minutes longer than conventional procedure. Is it less painful? This is another question. Potentially it has shown to reduce the pain and increase the walking ability in some patients, but this aspect of pain relief and walking ability is not widely accepted in our scientific circles, since studies are not yet conclusive to say pain is absolutely less compared to conventional and walking ability is quick compared to absolutely possible in all patients. However, in few pockets of patients, in fewer studies, it is showing potentially improvement. And longevity of the implants is better with a robotic because the alignment is taken care, soft tissue is taken care. So friends, this is the difference between a robotic knee replacement and conventional. You can choose conventional. Surgeon has to be very well trained and very well experienced. However, this part even if surgeon is younger and has done fewer surgeries compared to someone who has done thousands of surgeries, still robotic gives this additional information during surgery that helps in giving the comparable and good results for each and every patient. This is another advantage of using robotic surgery. If you have any doubts or any queries, please write in the comments below. We would like to reply. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, and if you have any suggestions, we would like to incorporate in our future videos. Thank you.